We've all been there. You send a text, hoping for a simple response, but it's met with silence. You stare at your phone, your heart sinking with each passing minute. Why the sudden coldness? Why the emotional withdrawal when you just want to reach out? The more you try to get them to open up, the more they seem to pull away. Why does this keep happening? Am I asking for too much? Maybe I'm just not enough. But here's the thing. You're not failing at love. You're just facing something most people don't understand about relationships. The love didn't fade, but the emotional connection did. And you're not alone in this. By the end of this video, you'll understand the hidden dynamics at play and discover exactly what kind of texts can break down that defense wall and invite your partner to truly open up. Let's get into it. Most people believe that when an avoidant partner pulls away, it's because they don't care enough or are losing interest. But the real truth is, it's not about the love disappearing. It's about safety. When safety starts to feel threatened, emotionally or physically, an avoidant's natural instinct is to withdraw. Their nervous system has learned to shut down when it perceives emotional overload. This is not a sign of them not caring. It's simply how their attachment system is protecting them from being overwhelmed. What may look like distance or disconnection is actually their way of guarding against emotional exposure, especially if they feel vulnerable. When the walls go up, the love doesn't vanish. It just goes underground, hidden beneath layers of defense. Most couples believe that simply saying, "I miss you," will invite emotional closeness. But the real emotional truth here is that for someone with avoidant tendencies, vulnerability is a trigger, not an invitation. What they're feeling, "I want to be close, but I can't handle the weight of that closeness right now." Example of the disconnecting version. "I miss you. Why aren't you texting me back?" Example of the connecting version. "I was thinking about you today. Hope you're doing okay." The shift. When you give them space to come to you, rather than pressuring them, it removes the immediate fear of being overwhelmed. The walls start to fall without you even having to try. Most couples think that asking about their partner's day seems like a harmless way to show interest. But for someone who is avoidant, this can feel like an invasion of their emotional territory. What they're feeling: "I don't know how to explain everything that happened today. Please don't ask me to." Example of the disconnecting version. "How was your day? What's wrong?" Example of the connecting version. "If you feel like talking about your day, I'm here." The shift. This text doesn't demand anything. It simply shows presence without pressure. It offers them the emotional space to respond when they're ready. Most people in relationships try to fix everything immediately when something goes wrong. But for someone avoidant, fixing feels like they're being told they're broken. What they're feeling: "I don't need fixing. I just need to feel safe to be myself." Example of the disconnecting version. "We need to talk. We're not okay." Example of the connecting version. "I know things are hard right now, but I believe we'll get through this together." The shift. When you frame your commitment to the relationship as a shared journey, it reduces their anxiety and brings them back to you emotionally. Most people send "just checking in" as a polite gesture, but for avoidance, this can feel intrusive. The real shift comes when you take a step back and simply offer space. What they're feeling: "I'm not sure I'm ready to share yet, but thank you for understanding." Example of the disconnecting version. "Just checking in. Are we good?" Example of the connecting version. "If you feel like talking or just need space, I'll be here." The shift. This simple, open-ended message lets your partner know that their emotional safety comes first. You're not looking for a response. You're just offering a safe space. Most couples believe that repeatedly seeking reassurance shows their commitment. However, for an avoidant, constant reassurance can create pressure and insecurity. What they're feeling: "I know you care. Please just trust that I'll come to you when I'm ready." Example of the disconnecting version. "Do you still love me?" Example of the connecting version. "I trust you, and I know we'll find our way back to each other." The shift. When you express trust in them, it removes the pressure to perform emotionally. This shift allows them to breathe and let their guard down naturally. As you start becoming the partner who holds space without demanding change, you're not just saving your relationship, you're transforming into the partner who understands, supports, and connects in a way you never thought was possible. This is more than a communication hack. It's a journey of becoming. When you can stop waiting for things to change and decide to be the change, that's when everything shifts. Love isn't something you wait for. It's something you build, step by step, with patience and trust.